Welcome to Little Feline Press. This week, Phil is celebrating the often unnoticed and unremarked beauty of the birdsong that surrounds us all, even in the most urban and heavily polluted places. In the midst of his dreams, a single bird's call roused Phil from sleep the other morning. How easy it is to take nature's free, gracious gifts for granted. As a thank offering, here is this week's poem, Birdsong. Before dawn, single songbird stirring me from sleep, arousing me at first light to infinite worlds within. Chorus greets me when I walk wood's edge path, a serenade for my life, I journey home. Descant extending from time's dawn, your forebears sang before men cut down trees for their habitations. Great chorus proclamation, like rocks in rushing rivers around which rain-filled streams gurgle. Innocent and powerful. Melody inspiration for poet prophets roaming dead streets for visions of carnation revolutions overturning regimes of living death. Tune flowering as new life blossoms and leaves entwining branches along stream banks where children play unafraid. Fragile voiced birds whose music is joy and remembrance, singers of earthly harmony, you bring tears at her memory. Single notes amplifying into a whole offering to sweet-scented spring. Everlasting reminder, beauty never perishes. Thank you for listening. We hope Birdsong brightened your day. More poetry next week. Please like Birdsong, leave comments and subscribe for more poetry from Little Feline Press.